Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Kunai in Ghost of Tsushima. Hold the equipment wheel, select Kunai, and aim with the right stick to mark a target before throwing. Time your throw to disrupt enemy formations and create openings for stealth attacks or heavy strikes. Combine Kunai with wind or smoke for confusion, and always carry a stack to ensure you can distract guards when plans change mid-encounter. Use Kunai as a stealth tool by pulling enemies away from groups and funneling them into choke points. Throw one Kunai to lure a single guard and then sneak up for a quick kill to avoid open combat. If multiple enemies are nearby, toss Kunai to break their line of sight and reposition to higher ground. Practice timing so your throw and approach flow naturally, keeping encounters clean and efficient for silent play. In open combat, use Kunai to interrupt heavy attacks and force enemies into recovery frames so you can strike. Aim for archers to stop bows and focus on shields to drop them from formation and expose stronger foes. Kunai can stagger larger enemies just enough for a follow-up parry or dodge, so weave them into combos to maintain momentum. Train with timing to ensure each throw creates real opportunity rather than waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.